Conservation organizations are non-profit entities dedicated to protecting and preserving the natural world. This plays a crucial role in safeguarding ecosystems, wildlife, and the environment. These organizations work towards various goals, including biodiversity conservation, habitat restoration, and sustainable resource management. Some well-known conservation organizations include World Wildlife Fund (WWF). WWF is one of the largest and most recognized conservation organizations globally. This focus on protecting endangered species, conserving habitats, and addressing issues like climate change. The Nature Conservants. This organization is dedicated to conserving lands and waters essential for life. This work on various projects to protect biodiversity and promote sustainable practices. Conservation International. Conservation International aims to protect nature for the well-being of humanity. This work in collaboration with communities, governments, and businesses to ensure the responsible management of natural resources. The Sierra Club, focused on environmental advocates. The Sierra Club works to protect and preserve the natural world, promote clean energy solutions, and combat climate change. National Audubon Society. This organization is dedicated to the protection of birds and their habitats. This conduct research, advocates, and educational programs to achieve their goals. The Wildlife Conservation Society (WCS) is committed to saving wildlife and wild places worldwide. This operate zoos and aquariums and conduct field conservation projects. Rainforest Trust, specializing in rainforest protection. Rainforest Trust works to purchase and protect threatened lands to safeguard biodiversity and prevent habitat destruction. Environmental Defense Fund. This organization focuses on finding practical solutions to environmental problems, such as climate change, pollution, and habitat conservation. These are just a few examples of aid conservation organizations. Each organization may have a specific focus or approach, but they all share a common goal of preserving the planet's natural biotes and ecological balance.